Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about PowerColor Radeon RX 7900 GRE series. So friend, PowerColor proudly announced the launch of its groundbreaking AMD Radeon RX 7900 GRE series graphics card. And this new lineup consisting of the Red Devil, Hellhound and fighter models, and it is engineered to redefine gaming excellence, delivering unmatched performance, cooling efficiency and reliability for gamers and enthusiasts worldwide. The PowerColor Red Devil AMD Radeon RX 7900 GRE graphics card is designed for the elite gamer and stand at pinnacle of performance and aesthetic. Its advanced cooling system and robust design support significant overclocking, ensuring that gamers can push the limits of 1440p and beyond. The Red Devil is more than a graphics card, it is an emblem of power crafted to help gamers and capture every victory with style and performance. And it is equipped with a triple rig fan setup and 7 by 6 theta heat pipes, and Red Devil ensure optimal heat dissipation. The director's copper plate covering the GPU and VRAM combined with 11 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 phase VRM and DrMOS with IMON monitoring and delivers peak cooling efficiency and stability. And friend, the PowerColor Hellhound AMD Radeon RX 7900 GRE delivers an exceptional balance of cool aesthetic and peak performance at a price that redefines market standard. And friend, with its triple rig fan design and 5 by 6 heat pipes, the Hellhound excels in thermal management, and the direct contact copper plate enhances cooling efficiency, while the 15-phase VRM and DrMOS with real-time monitoring underscore the card's reliability during intense gaming. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.